Hey guys, so today I came to Costco in search of the best deals for this week. I just love buying stuff when it's at a reduced price, so let's go ahead and grab a shopping cart, give this video a like because that truly helps me out, and well, let's get shopping. I noticed a lot of people were looking at these non-slip hangers. You do get 50 of them per each box, and I do notice that they are hardly ever on sale. $4 off until June 9th. Does anyone have any reviews in terms of these hangers? I personally never tried them. They're selling for $9 for 50 pieces. Recently, I realized that my cardigans that I've had for years, my current hangers actually left like markings on those cardigans, which they're very light material. So now I'm thinking it may be worth investing into hangers like these at Costco. But let me know your thoughts on these. Let me know if you used them before. This is the Cosmetic Organizers 3-piece set. It's by Idesign, and you basically get two 3-drawer organizers, and you also get one carousel. So this one I spotted it with $10 off until June 14th. Normally sells for $30, but right now it's selling for $20. I will say these are no longer available in every single Costco location. Definitely limited, but if you spot them, I would definitely recommend to double check the price. This one right here is definitely a rare find, and I'm kind of surprised I bumped into it today. It's a double-sided grill slash griddle, so perfect for like grilling steaks on one side, and you can make pancakes on the other. I found it going for $20, you guys, and that is almost unheard of. For the first time ever, that's at a clearance price. This one I did spot in the Dimas location, so if you're in the area, just know that I did find it in that Costco location. It says here it's made with 100% natural cooking surface. It's made with just basically iron and oil. Now, I'm not sure what the situation is with the Lazy Susan that has a chalkboard edge, but I will say that in most Costco locations in my area, I've seen it with $5 off the original price, and it seems like the sale is pretty much valid until June 9th. So the price right now comes down to $15. I will say, however, I went to another Costco location. It was a little bit of a rare find. I did spot it with $10 as a final price. So I had $5 off, and it was like marked down to a manager's discount, which was kind of surprising because this one I've never even seen it with the Death Star. So I'm not sure exactly what's going on with the Lazy Susan. So I would highly recommend for you to double check the price. I like the little detail that Over and Back has added to their porcelain dinnerware set. This one is basically of 12 pieces, and right now I spotted it with $5 off until June 10th, so $20 for 12 pieces. What are we thinking here? These are the bigger plates, the salad plates. See the little detail? I really like that. And then these are the bowls. I'm even thinking that if you're going to any housewarming parties, this would also make a great gift. Now, if you've been thinking of buying this Ninja Dual Brew Grounds and Pods coffee maker, I would highly recommend to only buy it anytime it's on sale, like right now, because it does go on sale quite often. $40 off until June 9th. It was selling normally for $130, but right now the price comes down to $90. You can make so many things in this machine. You can make iced coffee, hot coffee, of course. It also is compatible with the K-Cup pods, and I know they also sell those at Costco. I noticed the sale was extended on this original portable blender called Blendjet. This one comes in a 2-pack. You get one black and then one mint color. This one has $10 off. As you can see, the sale now ends on June 8th. So the price comes down to $40 with the discount applied. This is what they look like. I want to say one of my aunts has one of these, and I'm pretty sure she uses it quite a lot since it's portable, and I know she's like always on the go, and she loves making like her green smoothies. Keep in mind the single button operation. You can click pulse, you can turn on and off the machine as well. My mom has one of these Snapware Pyrex glass sets, and hers is like a couple years old, and I know she uses these on a daily basis. I like the concept that it has pure glass. Only the lid is made of plastic, but I mean, I don't think there's a way going around that. It has $5 off until June 9th. I would definitely recommend to buy these if you're looking for new Tupperware. They're definitely airtight and leak proof, and you have so many different sizes in this set. Has anyone mastered the art of cooking in pure stainless steel? I personally haven't, but I feel like it requires a lot more patience. So this is a 12-piece cookware set, $40 off until June 9th. If anyone's been wanting to switch over to stainless steel, this could be a pretty good option. This is the whole complete set, and I mean, I don't think there's anything that you're missing here, honestly. Apparently, it's also dishwasher safe and they're oven safe as well, up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, including the glass lids, which I found super interesting. I'm still seeing the melamine dinnerware set on sale. This one is of 12 pieces. I'm thinking this is great for like the outdoors if you're planning to do any picnics or any outdoor celebration right now for like 4th of July. These have $5 off right now until June 9th, so the price comes down to $15. As you can see, you have two different color options. You have the blue or the black ones to choose from. And then here's everything that is included. You have 4 dinner plates, 4 salad plates, and 4 bowls. The 6-piece sheet set of 680 thread count, I spotted it on sale. This one's from the Kirkland Signature brand. I'm not sure if these go on sale often. I want to say no. They do have $15 off right now until June 9th, but $55 for 6 pieces. I want to hear if you've purchased these before and, have they lasted you quite a bit, because I feel like it's a little bit on the pricey side. But again, honestly, usually whenever I buy sheets, I just grab whatever cheapest option I can find at Costco, and that's usually what I go with. But if it's worth investing into something like this, I mean, I'm down to purchase these. So they have them in white, they have them in light gray, and then also in this really nice sheet of blue. This is a queen air bed, and it's been so tempting for me, especially when it's on sale. It goes on sale once in a while, but I know this is usually the typical discount, $30 off until June 9th. So it's a queen air bed, and it also comes with its own little headboard, which I thought was really nice. The pump is already like built in, so I thought that was really cool. I'm not sure how easy it is to set up on whether it's loud, but I also noticed that it has a removable and washer quilt topper. So I thought that was a nice addition. Usually I like to use like mattress protection, but of course since it's an air bed, I mean, it's nice that a nice little feature like that is already included. Apparently it inflates in 5 minutes. Let me know if you have one of these. Here is the 5000 lumen flashlight. This one you can use with either batteries or with a charger that is included. It has $6 off until June 17th. Normally sells for $30, but right now it's selling for $24. This weatherproof outdoor blanket is on sale once again. They have tons of different designs to these. I like that they have the straps, which makes them super easy to carry and take with you to the park. 60 by 72 inches with $4 off until June 12th. Right now the price comes down pretty much to $15. Here are some other designs I spotted. You have one with the sun, others with mountains, and then you have one with a really nice color combination. I know some people really like the Melona fruit bars, so I would highly recommend for you to stock up before they stop being on sale. The sale seems to continue all the way until June 16th with $3.50 off its original price. You get 24 bars per each box, and it pretty much has 3 different flavors. There's the mango melon. I hear melon's one of the top popular ones. And then it also has coconut, anywhere between 110 to 130 calories. Now I know this is super high in sodium, but I must say I've tried it before and it's actually very tasty. So it's ramen noodles topped with tender chicken. You have a little bit of vegetables in there, $4 off until June 23rd. You do have 6 bowls per each box. Now let's take a look at the scary part. 1,700 in sodium, 63 grams of carbs, 20 grams of protein, and around 410 calories for each bowl. This orange chicken is probably one of my top favorites frozen food products at Costco. I love throwing this one in the air fryer, and for about 15 minutes it comes out crispy. You add the sauce and it gets like the perfect texture. $4.70 off until June 9th. I'm probably going to stock up on this one because I do like to have it every once in a while, especially when I'm craving orange chicken. Cook this with a little bit of side of rice, some vegetables, and it just makes a whole complete delicious meal. These are definitely pretty tasty. These are sea salt and lime tortilla chips. They're definitely thin and they're definitely crispy. They are organic. These go on sale once in a while, but they're definitely worth grabbing. $2.10 off until June 9th. $4.69 for a 22-ounce bag. To me, sounds like a great deal. I found the Tangle Teezer on sale finally. I've been using this Detangling hairbrush set for a couple weeks now, and I must say I threw out my old brush because I really like this one. It doesn't pull out at my hair. It just slides right on through even when I have knots in my hair. So I thought it was a really nice product. If you're interested in seeing what it looks like, you know, the little bit of details to the brushes, definitely check out my reel. If you're not following me on Instagram, make sure to give me a follow on there too. You can find me at Costco this week. That's what my whole Instagram account is called. But this is a really nice product, and I'm happy to find it on sale. I've seen videos on this Glowtech LED compact mirror, and it is very interesting. I actually purchased a mirror not that long ago that has the like the magnification to it, and it makes such a big difference. I can only imagine with LED light added. This one has $4 off until June 16th. It is available in black and white, and you have 3 light color settings to choose from: warm, natural, and cool. This coconut sunscreen spray is finally on sale. It has SPF 50. It's water resistant as well for up to 80 minutes. And it has $5 off until June 19th. So I think perfect timing considering it's starting to get a little hot here in California at least. $14 for a 2-pack. I actually like this price. Has anyone tried this one before? I know there's a couple options at Costco, but let me know if you like this brand and especially if you like the sunscreen. The Gillette Labs razor set arrived to Costco not that long ago. You have a razor stand, 1 razor, and then also 8 cartridges included. It currently has $8 off until June 30th. Normally sells for $38, but right now with the discount applied, the price comes down to $30. Here's another clearance find. So these are the Steve Madden jogger sneakers. They're for men, but I'm thinking, they could be for women because I even like the style. $24.97. If anyone's interested in grabbing one of these sneakers, know that I found them in the Azuza location. So that's where I found them. There was a couple of different sizes left, but you may have to look through to see if, your size is still available. They had them in white, and then here are the light gray ones as well. And that is all the updates that I have for today. Remember to turn on your notification button to know when I have uploaded a new video. See you guys next time.